Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to get the right on effect in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. Let's start off by choosing a clip that you're gonna write on. Make sure it's not too bright because you want the text to be seen very clearly. Once you've chosen the clip, click on the text tool and write your title. In my case, the place in the background is Gang Talk. So that's what I'm gonna be using as my title. Now once you're done writing, choose the font as well. Here I'm going for gloss and blue. It's got a neat look to it and many travel vloggers use it. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna use for this clip. So now let's adjust and center the title. Before you center the title though, make sure to resize the text box as per your font to perfectly center it. Once done, open the Essential Graphics tab, which is under the window option at the top. Here you will find a tool to center your text vertically and horizontally. After doing this, you will have a perfectly centered text. Now it's time for us to use the right on effect, which is found in the effects panel under video effects. Just drag and drop it onto the text layer. You will get a bunch of controls which you can tweak. Let's start off by increasing the brush size to 35 and then change the brush color to red to make it clearly visible. Next, set the hardness and stroke to 100. The stroke length must be adjusted as per the length of your video. If your video is 10 seconds, the stroke length should also be 10 seconds. And for the brush spacing, it must be as low as possible. So just hit the down arrow key on your keyboard. Next, create a keyframe like I did for the brush position and bring the brush right below the start of your text and move the brush as if you're writing a word. Take your time and make sure the brush is covering the letter completely. If you're moving a short distance, move 2 to 3 frames, and to do that, just press the arrow key like this. Keep drawing over the letters as long as it's fully covered. It's really easy, just create the keyframe and move the brush. Keep repeating the same process. Once it's completely done, the title will be no longer visible and only the red brush strokes will be seen. So now when you move through the clip, the red strokes appear and disappear. But we want the text underneath to do that. So in the effects panel, go to the paint style and choose reveal original image. After this, hit enter to render the clip to get a smooth playback. And you're done with the edit. You can add a little brush effect also if you wish to do so, like I did. With that, we have reached the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, drop a like and get subscribed for more content. This is Vishal and you're watching Half-Life.